Welcome, and thank you for joining. In this video yet informative session, we will explore a fundamental concept in Python programming, conditional statements, with a focus on the use of if, else, and elif. These statements allow a program to make decisions and execute different blocks of code based on specific conditions. They are essential tools in writing logic-driven programs that behave differently according to various inputs or situations. The if statement is used to evaluate a condition. If the condition is true, a certain block of code will run. If it is false, Python will skip that block and move on. To handle multiple conditions, the elif, short for else if, is introduced, allowing the program to check additional expressions. Finally, the else statement defines what the program should do if none of the previous conditions are satisfied. Understanding conditional logic is a vital step in learning Python and becoming proficient in writing efficient and functional code. It also lays the foundation for more advanced programming concepts, such as loops, functions, and algorithms. For college and university students, mastering these basics not only improves academic performance but also builds confidence in solving real-world programming tasks. Assignment on Click is committed to supporting learners by breaking down complex programming topics into clear, structured, and easy-to-understand lessons. With personalized academic guidance and practical examples, students are empowered to achieve excellence in their coursework and beyond. Thank you for watching, and we invite you to subscribe for more tutorials and guidance. For trusted academic support, you can always rely on Assignment on Click.